I'm not quite sure if I videotaped this one for everybody. I think I might have, but I just needed to say that it's cracked here and it's been repaired. And they really repaired it well, but it doesn't look so well. These are removable. Very sturdy. There is one trumpet missing. Right. You know, I will take offers on this. I have it up, I believe, for $50. I think it's worth that. Gotta clean it up. It's been sitting, it's dusty. But you can see I'm turning it around, I'm touching it, grabbing it by the repaired area, and it is very solid. And I think whoever bought it would really like it. Put these back in. Oops. And here I am picking it up. I know. Maybe you could put something at the bottom and hide that. That's nice.